Hey there, explorers of the unknown. Have you ever wondered if mythical creatures might be more than just legends? What if some of them actually exist? In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 mythical creatures that science and folklore suggest might not be as far-fetched as they sound. Let's get started. Stories of the Kraken, a massive sea monster with tentacles capable of dragging entire ships to the depths, have haunted sailors for centuries, especially in Nordic lore. Once dismissed as pure fantasy, modern discoveries paint a different picture. Scientists have found giant squids in the deep ocean, with some growing up to 40 feet long. Their dinner plate-sized eyes and immense power are intimidating enough, and these are only the ones we've observed. Since over 80% of the ocean remains unexplored, who's to say even larger, more fearsome creatures aren't lurking below? The Kraken might just be a case of folklore inspired by real, terrifying encounters. Bigfoot, or Sasquatch, and its Himalayan counterpart, the Yeti, are described as towering ape-like beings that roam remote forests and mountains. Reports of these creatures span centuries and continents, with countless eyewitness accounts and legends keeping the mystery alive. The science is intriguing too. Some genetic samples collected in regions tied to Bigfoot sightings have shown traces of unknown primate DNA. Could these creatures be surviving relatives of ancient hominids like Gigantopithecus? With vast, untouched wildernesses still out there, it's not impossible for such creatures to avoid human detection. The existence of a large, elusive primate remains one of the more plausible cryptid theories. The Chupacabra, or goat sucker, is a blood-sucking predator first reported in Puerto Rico during the 1990s. Described as either reptilian and spiked or hairless and dog-like, this creature has been blamed for livestock deaths across the Americas. Some researchers think the Chupacabra might be a misidentified animal suffering from severe diseases like mange, which drastically alter their appearance. Others speculate it could be an undiscovered nocturnal predator adapted to avoid humans. The strange bite marks and lack of blood in the livestock carcasses remain a chilling mystery. Whether it's a mutation, cryptid, or misunderstood animal, the Chupacabra continues to fuel nightmares. Dragons are among the most iconic mythical creatures, appearing in stories across cultures worldwide. From fire-breathing beasts in Europe to the wise, wingless dragons of Chinese lore, the similarities are fascinating. How did so many civilizations create such consistent dragon myths? One theory is that ancient people discovered massive dinosaur fossils and interpreted them as dragons. Others point to real animals like the Komodo dragon or flying reptiles like the pterosaur, which once ruled the skies. While a fire-breathing species remains unlikely, the idea that dragons were inspired by real creatures or fossils from Earth's past isn't hard to believe. Topping our list are mermaids, aquatic beings with the upper body of a human and the lower half of a fish. Found in Greek mythology, African folklore, and even explorer accounts like Christopher Columbus's, mermaids have enchanted imaginations for millennia. Skeptics argue that early sailors, perhaps suffering from exhaustion, mistook manatees or seals for mermaids, but the ocean is vast and largely unexplored. New species are discovered regularly, including some with semi-humanoid features, like jellyfish with faces. Evolution takes surprising turns, and it's possible that an aquatic humanoid species could exist, hidden deep in uncharted underwater realms. Until the ocean's depths are fully explored, the legend of mermaids endures. What do you think? Could any of these mythical creatures actually exist? Are they ancient relics, cryptic species, or simply misidentified animals? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this dive into the mysterious, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more adventures into the unknown. Until next time, stay curious.